Today I'll show you an effective coughing exercise to help clear mucus from your lungs. 1. Sit upright in a comfortable position with your feet flat. 2. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs fully. 3. Hold your breath for 2 to 3 seconds. 4. Cough firmly from your chest, not your throat. Do 2 to 3 short coughs in a row. 5. Rest and breathe normally for a few seconds, then repeat to 2-3 times.
Tip: hold a pillow against your chest or surgical wound for support if needed. Remember, stop if you feel dizzy or short of breath. White Heavy checkmark, share and follow for more such procedures.